for the new X700, now with black upgrade. For the sweet black front grille and stunning black outer wheels, this model is full of confidence, traffic, series swagger. All of the top-tier SUVs were only as low as 1,252,000 pesos, with a fuel efficiency rating of 22.3 kilometers per liter. Now, with all of these truly stunning cars here in space, one was born legendary and captured the hearts of everyone worldwide. For thrill seekers, please welcome Suzuki's all-good technology in the Jimny 3-door and 5-door. The doors you guys covered right there. Now with a Rhino edition packed with Suzuki genuine accessories. It all goes to the power engine that can take all of you anywhere, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the off-grid
Ryan din pangalan.
fuel efficiency rating of 2.76 kilometers per liter. Made this even more